Hello, my name is Eldrick Johnny Ecuador and we're about to create an array. So first we need to create a new project and then create a BI. So here here on the blank panel, on the front panel, we should right click, then search array, then drag 4 arrays, and then in each array we can put different values. For example, numeric control, and then uh, vertical fill, and we can try some boolean vertical toggle switch and some round LEDs. In here we can drag this array and increase the elements to 4, and then here drag it to the right. We can also change the size of the buttons or the things that we're using. Then add 2, then here. So now we can see the change in color that represents what kind of array it is. So here we can see 2 arrays. Should change this into indicator so we can wire these two. Then these 2 booleans. Then let's hit run, and then now we can start entering numbers. For example, 7, 4, 1, 9. Then we can open these switches. Open these switches. So then when we hit run, you can see the changes here. And now here in the block diagram, we can delete these boolean arrays. And then if we right click an array, we can see the number of functions that we can use. For example, the index array and the array size. So we can see we'll wire this to, and then let's put an indicator here, there, here also. Can also put control here, so we can see that what we put on the block diagram also appears here in the front panel. So here this index represents the array number, so 0, 1, 2, 3. So I want to check array number 2. So when we run, it says the number of the size of the array is 4 and the element on index 2 is 1, which is correct. So now we can right click here in the block diagram, and then let's choose the reverse 1D array. So we will wire this between the array 1 and array 2. So here, here. So when we run this, you can see that it was reversed. So now this is 9, 1, 4, and 7. So now we're gonna create 5 new arrays. put numeric control here, the first array, and numeric indicators in array 2, array 3, array 4, and array 5. We change this into indicator. Yes. And then change the name. This array2 is called sub array. Then this array3 is called initialized array. And this fourth array is called appended array. And then this array5 is called concatenated array. So this fourth array should be a 2D array. So first, right click this array. Right click this array. And then add dimension. So now we can add like 4 and then here 2. Then also here we can change this to 4. Okay. And we can also make this also connect this arrays array 1 to array 2, 3, and 5, but we cannot connect it to array 4 because this is a 2D array and then this array is only a 1D array. So we can check this by changing the values here and then connect this wire this all, and then run. You can see the changes here like 2639, 2639. So that's it for week 5. Thank you.